Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm making this video because OBS just refused to open for me, and honestly it was super frustrating. I clicked OBS, nothing happened. Clicked it again and then this error popped up saying the program can't start because MSVCP120.dll is missing. At first I thought OBS was broken, but yeah, that wasn't the case. So like most people, I went online and searched for MSVCP120.dll and I clicked one of those common DLL download websites that show up on Google. After the download finished, inside the folder you'll see the MSVCP120.dll file. Now here's what you need to do. Right click on the DL file and copy it. Then open this PC, go to local disk C, open the Windows folder, and then open the System32 folder. Once you're inside System32, just paste the DLL file there. Windows might ask for administrator permission. Just click continue and that's it. After pasting the file, close everything and open OBS again. For me, OBS opened normally and the error was completely gone. So yeah, that's exactly what I did and it worked for me. If this video helped you, leave a like so YouTube knows this was useful.